Okay, there it is, all done for the time being, with of course the exception of the front rim needs to be powder coated, and the hub, and same thing with the back rim and the brake plate and the hub and all that. That's going to be also powder coated at some point. But there it is, all done after 4 years of distractions and all kinds of problems to keep me from working on it. There it is, as done as it's going to be for now. At least it's rideable with the new paint and the ceramic coated exhaust, a lot of parts powder coated, all the front forks. Finally has gators on it now. I'll probably powder coat that brake caliper at some point. There, Jim Mosier did the artwork on it. He did the wing. That's his original, as is the pinstriping here on the fenders and all that. We painted the fenders. I had to have Trips paint the tank at the end because we did it 3 times and made mistakes both times. So we did the side covers. They came out perfect. At least Jerry did. Jerry shot them. Jerry shot all that. Shot that back fender and all that. Now it's got a chain guard on it. Didn't have one before. There you can see the exhaust, ceramic, tungsten they call that. I thought that would be a good mix with the powder coating and the gray. So there it is. Pretty much ready to go. And actually, I'm enjoying it quite a bit today. It's the first trip up the river. This river. Right there. Pretty heavy duty flow this year on the North Fork of the Yuba. Been fishing a little bit, haven't gotten anything. Found some quieter water to fish in. That gives you a little idea of what's going on here at the river. And there's the bike, the Honda. '74 CB750. You can hear the bikes in the background going over here.